Good morning, my beautiful people. How are you all doing? Okay, like I said before, I was going to continue the video, and this is the continuation. You all know, and I'm going to tell you some secret behind the refinery. You all know the largest refinery in the world. Do you remember in 2019, Femi Otedola sold his oil company Forte Oil for 250 million US dollar to buy share in the largest refinery in the world, which you all know as Dangote Refinery. And these are some of the parts of the shares you all see. Can you watch the video very well? Yeah, it is true. The company, you all know, the oil company is not solely for Dangote, but for a group of some prominent men in Nigeria like Tinubu and other prominent men. Can you see that? These are the continuation. This is the continuation. It's really a large refinery. It's a large one. It's a large one. The company is sitting on a land bigger to be a village. Yeah, this is the continuation. And other some countries like Asian country, India, and some part of the owner, they have some share in this refinery, as you can see.
No, be say you know that now the motor when I put those things now they
like China, as this some part, they have their own share, and many other countries that you may never have heard about. So the company is a joint business. So, and some people are saying that the company belongs to Nigeria, that Dangote is just a contractor. So we don't really know. We don't really know until then. And we hear the president of Nigeria, Muhammad Buhari, is coming on 22 of this month to commission the refinery so it can start work. And we are all waiting for that commissioning. And they are really fastening the work to make sure that he commissions the refinery before he gets down on 29th of this month, which is May 2023. That is what is going on right now. And today I'm also going to show you the Dangote workshop. You may have not heard about it. Dangote has a mechanical workshop big enough to contain 100 trucks at a go. I'm going to show you where they queue for lineup, because the spoiled trucks are many, so they queue for their turn to get fixed. Can you see that? These are the queue, and by my left hand is where the workshop is located. All these trucks are spoiled trucks. They are waiting to be fixed, and it must get to their turn, so they don't rush it. That is the entrance. All these are Dangote's trucks, so they have their own qualified mechanics. Thank you for watching my video.